So you landed your first dev job. Congrats! Genuinely, that's hard. But I need to have a quick talk with you before you walk into that office and immediately embarrass yourself. Because there are mistakes that are so common, they're practically a rite of passage. And some of them are completely avoidable. First one, over-engineering everything. You just learned about microservices and design patterns, and now your note-taking app has an event queue. It has layers, it has a README longer than a lease agreement, and it still crashes when you type too fast. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Writing simple, boring code that works is actually the flex. The senior dev isn't impressed by your abstractions. They're annoyed they have to maintain them. Second, suffering in silence. The junior who spends 3 days stuck on a bug, says nothing, and misses the deadline is not figuring it out. They're just quietly on fire. Ask for help. Just Google it first. There's a big difference between "I've been digging into this, can I get a second pair of eyes?" and opening stand-up with "What does null mean?" Third, treating Git like a personal diary. Commit message, fixed it. Fixed what? When it's 2 a.m. and something's broken in production and you're scrolling through the history, fixed it is not helpful. Neither is pushing straight to main like you own the place. You don't. Yet. And finally, the boring portfolio. If your GitHub is just a to-do list, a calculator, and a weather app, you look like every other junior dev on the planet. Build something weird. Build something that makes people go, "Wait, why does this exist?" and then immediately want to try it. That's the one that gets you hired. Look, every senior dev has broken production, written embarrassing code, and asked a dumb question. The goal isn't to be perfect from day one. It's to be self-aware enough not to make the same mistake twice. All right, go write some clean, boring, beautiful code.
Smash the like button and subscribe if you enjoyed this.